Hi guys, so today we're going to make one of my favorite sweet treats. We're going to make some delicious brownie brittle. Now for this recipe, you're going to need a box of brownie mix, an egg white, some water, some cooking oil, either veggie or canola, and if you want, some nuts. Now we're going to take all of our ingredients except for our nuts, and we're going to mix it in a big mixing bowl. Now once everything is mixed well, I'm going to add in my nuts. Now if you're using a boxed brownie mix that doesn't have chocolate chips already included, you would add your chocolate chips here. Anything you want to add to your brownie brittle, you would add it in at this time. So here I have my baking sheet and I lined it with some parchment paper. Parchment paper is a must in this recipe, you guys, so you have to have it. Next, we're going to go ahead and spread this batter out as thin as possible. Mine still came out a little thick. It was still nice and crispy, but it could have been a little thinner. So just make sure you spread it out. Now we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. We're going to bake it at 300 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. After it's done, you want to turn your oven off, but leave it in there to dry out until it's completely cooled. And now we're just going to break it into pieces. You guys, my mom and I finished this whole pan of brownie brittle in a day. It's that good, and we're that greedy. Yum.